Hello traders out there in trader land. D7 here with Grok, a trade, and it's Monday, August 13th, 2018, and the markets end the day bearish yet again. Friday was a nasty little plunge in the markets. And again today, everyone down. US dollar slightly higher, but as you look here, financials down nearly a full percent, leading to the downside. That's bad news. Crude oil down 0.5%, silver down 2%, 1.5% down on gold. VIX spiking 12.3%. We're up nearly 15 on the fear, but that's still low to be quite frank. And Bitcoin at 27, almost 2,300. So that's just where we're at. Let's take a look here at the markets. Go to the daily chart. Let's go. Daily chart. We got a sell on the Friday was just a nasty little drop. There it is. Today we closed below the 20-day moving average. It's been a while since that has happened, and it happened on some good volume. Last couple of days, man, there's sellers coming in right now. The question is this a high? Could this be an island top? But it just has that look to it. So this is problematic. If you look here at the MACD, I use filter 592, and if you look here, we have some serious negative histogram ticks here, but we're still above zero at this moment. But I want to take a quick look here at the weekly. So last week we had to put Friday, we put a sell on that. Today we're starting to drop. So the question is, are we going to have a drop the next couple of weeks? I think if it's going to happen, it's going to happen like soon. So listen to what I'm telling you guys. This could be a bloody week. And if it is, look for that to be a couple, 2 to 3 weeks of just a blood bath. That is that's what we're seeing here in the markets. However, every time I think we're going to start dropping, sure enough, what happens? The market rallies back. Why? Because the economy is doing magical things. The markets are you can't stop this economy. I mean, here in Indiana where I'm at, I think we have an unemployment rate at 3.3%. Are you kidding me? People can't find people to work. It's just a crazy economy, and the market just keeps going higher. But we're poised to sell. Statistically and technically, the market should start selling off here. But will it? Never does. Does for a bit. Back here at the beginning of 2018, I mean, this is a weekly chart we're looking at. We had some big sell-offs here, but we're coming back, but we got near the high. You can see this. We got really close to the all-time high, and people sold into that. Now, this could build on the weekly chart a high base. It could chop around here in the next few weeks. That would be the most bullish thing it could do. But if it doesn't, I'm telling you, if the sellers come in the remainder of this week, this would not be a time to be holding long in the market. Okay, you can stop the video. You're done. I gave you everything, but we'll look at some stocks too if you want to hang out with me. All right. Let's go to the diamonds. The diamonds, we had a sell on that back on the 9th because we started dropping, and a big drop on Friday, and then we're just a nasty. Let's see the weekly. We put a sell on that too. Let's just stay on the daily. It doesn't matter what's going on. All right, there's the daily. So the daily diamonds, we are going down, and Nasdaq. Let's go there. Friday we had to put a sell on it. Sure enough, we're still at one point today. We came up, filled this gap. You can see it. People filled the gap. Buyers got it up there. Sellers came right back down. It just looks bad. Russells, oh man, I got to put a sell on Russells. If you guys don't know what I'm doing here, I put publicly called trades. I put buys and sells on the charts, and you guys can see these going back. I don't know, man, I've been doing this for some time, and only the most ignorant of people would be putting themselves out there for this level of scrutiny, but I do it for you guys, and just because that's why you guys come to us for mentoring, because you can see our level of what it is that we can do. But financials, you go there, oh man, big drop. Look what financials did today. Just a huge drop. You are gone. This is just problem city. Financials are dropped, and there's no way you want to be long this market right now. US dollar, Looks like it's topping out. I got a buy on it, but very interesting. Crude oil, got a buy on it. Oh, today it crashed, but it come back. Look at that. I'll stay with my buy for the time being. Silver had a sell on it, and today a huge sell. This is like, it hasn't been this low in a while, guys. Big time drop on silver and gold. Huge levels being broken. Massive levels being broken. Holy smokes. VIX. Remember the tweezer bottom that we put in on that on the 8th? Look what happened the last 3 days. Boom! To the upside. Huge, huge, huge rally here on fear. Bitcoin, if you take a look at this, we have a sell on it. Down, 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 down. We have this area of support. Let's just see what happens to that area of support. See what happens. Yeah. Anything can happen. GBTC got a sell on it on Friday. Today it did drop. So let's look at some stocks of interest. Stocks of interest. Let's go and start off with Apple. Apple. Let's go there. Oh, right before I do, Grok trade. If you guys want to give me some feedback, thank you for you guys who've given me some feedback. This is super cool. I really appreciate it. What I'm looking for, an unbiased opinion from you on what you think about the questioning. So you take the quiz right here. Oh, yeah. Hey, guys, those of you who are meeting up with us in Vegas, we will see you this coming weekend. We will see you this weekend. Looking forward to hanging out with you guys. But this quiz, that quiz is the same buttons you find in the Trading Mentor section here. But that quiz went from 4 questions to 5 questions to vet individuals to find out if you have the proper mental, emotional makeup to be a trader. It's highly beneficial for anybody to take it because we give you our thoughts on this. But more importantly, don't just take it and do a takeaway. I'm asking you to send me an email at Des, D-E-S, that's my name, Des, D-E-S, at groktrade.com, and just give me feedback on it. If you have any questions you think it needed to be added, or if we needed to expound on anything, or if you have opinions on some of our questions, I'm very open and interested in hearing that. Okay, I've talked too long on that. Let's move on. Apple, high base, boom, big run, up, high base. People sold into this big time high that we had. Big time high. So be careful with that one. 8XP, got a sell on it. Oh, but that thing might turn into a buy soon. I'm going to stay with the sell, but that could turn around. Here we have Boeing, got a sell on it, but man, that could be a buy soon too. Caterpillar, let's go to Caterpillar, got a sell on it. I'm good with that sell. It's still going down. Cisco, got a sell on it. Oh man, today it popped way up, come down. I'm good with my sell. So we're in at 41, 42 bucks out at whatever that was, 43.70. Okay. CVX. Let's go to Chevron. Let's go. Hurry up. I'm using TradingView, and you can get a link to the service that I'm using inside the description on the website, and also on YouTube if you happen to be watching this on YouTube. And we got a sell here on Chevron down, and it broke support. This is just trouble city for this company. You don't want that long. Disney, as you remember, we had this big shooting star, put a sell on it, and it has dropped ever since. So we pulled some money out of that one. Dow DuPont, let's go there. Put a sell on it and popped up, and then it sold off. We'll stay with that sell. GE down 2.5%. We put a sell on it at $13.90. It's at $12.45 now. Broke all sorts of support. Goldman Sachs, look at this, M for murder. See the M? M for murder. And down. HD, oh snap. We put a sell on it on the 9th. It broke support on Friday, and huge drop. Earnings, guys. Do we hold over earnings? No. Anyway, here we have IBM, got a sell on it, and bam, to the downside. Intel, got a sell here, went up, got near resistance. People sold into it. We put a sell on that. It did drop, and it's continuing to drop. We'll stay there. Oh, Johnson & Johnson, let's go there first. Come on, J&J. I don't have a sell on this yet. I'm going to stay with it. I got a buy on it. It's a bull pullback. If this thing starts to pop, look to buy that. JP Morgan down 1.6%. Oh, man, we did tweezer top sell on the 8th. On Wednesday, Thursday, it did drop. Friday had a nasty little drop, and then Monday, look at this. Horrible, horrible, horrible. No good, no good. You would not want this right now. Coca-Cola got a sell on it, and it continues down. McDonald's, we got a buy on it. We're going to stay with our buy. 3M. Oh, look at this. Got a sell on it on the 8th at 207. We're at 199. It broke the 200 mark to the downside. That is no good. Merck. Oh, got a sell on it, but it popped up on us today. Hold on. Oh, and it happened on volume. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm gonna change my sell to a buy. Microsoft got a sell on it. It's dropping. I'm good with that. Nike. Oh, I already had a sell on it. Good, because I would have put one on. So we have a sell at resistance, and it has dropped. Okay, PFE, Pfizer, up. I'm good with that. That could still go higher. PG got a sell on it at resistance, and it's softening up a bit. Travelers, come on, got a sell on it. Oh boy. That could be a buy, guys, soon. UNH got a buy on it. That could be a sell soon. UTX got a sell on it. And bam, to the downside. Really getting slippery. Visa got a sell on it. It's chopping sideways. Not a whole lot there. Verizon put a sell on it Friday in there because it broke support. And look what happened. It looked for that to continue down. Walgreens. Man, Tesla. I haven't added Tesla. If you guys want me to add Tesla, let me know in the comments. We got a buy on it. It really hasn't popped. I thought this would be more of a pop there. It just didn't happen. Last time we did the gap down run up, we put a buy on it. It really didn't do much either. Anyway, that's interesting. A Walmart got a buy on it. Oh boy. I'll stay with the buy and Exxon got a sell on it. Look at this nasty little drop. All right, let's look at some tech stocks. Let's do that. AMD got a buy on it. I'll stay with the buy. Amazon. Oh, Amazon all-time record high. But guess what I'm going to do? Let's sell Amazon. So we're in at Amazon at, let's say, 1794. Now we're at 1896. That was our sell. So, all right, good. Making some money. Baba got a buy on it. Oh, but it softened up today. Got earnings, but that looked like buyers coming in. Baidu, same thing. I really thought that would be a pop, and we're not seeing it. That's a tweets about them. That could turn out to be quite bullish. All right, let's go to Priceline Booking Holdings. Whoa, nasty little drop. So we have a sell on that at 2080. We're at 1850. Big drop there. Cisco got a sell on it. Whoa, it popped up today. Did we already look at that one? I think so. Catfish. Catfish, funny that I call it that. Got a sell on it, and it's broke support. I'm good with the sell. Even though it's a tweezer bottom, that could pop with an inverted hammer. So, be watching that. If that pops right back up, that could be a buy soon. eBay, got a buy on it. Oh, I don't like how it ended. See that? How it ended on Monday? Not liking it. I'll stay with my buy, but not liking it. Facebook, got a sell on it. But that's a pullback. That could be ready to rally, guys. Watch Facebook. That could be ready to go. Google, got a sell on it. It's going down. Google with an L, got a sell on it going down. Okay, let's keep going here. GoPro was up 2 point. Wow. Ooh, interesting. Oh, what do I want to do with this one? This one's killing me. We got a sell on it. It dropped. I'm going to wait for confirmation right now, but I'm so tempted to put one. Oh, we already looked at Microsoft. MU. So this is Micron. I got a sell on it. I'll stay with my sell. Netflix was off 1.3%. So we have a sell on it. Down. It's a bear pullback. It started to drop. Guys, if this starts to pop, this is going to turn into a double bottom formation and could start heading higher, okay? So NVIDIA, I got a sell on it. Look what it did today. What am I going to do with this one? I want to stay with my sell. Do you see how it went up, up, up? It was just a huge, glorious candlestick, but people sold into it. Earnings is coming up in a couple days, guys. Just don't hold over that. It could be problem city. Overall, technically, it just looks really weak to me. I'm glad to be out of that one. Oracle, got to sell on it. Oh, and last couple days, it went below support. We broke below the 200-day moving average. Bad news for Oracle. PayPal. Up, up, up. Sell time. We're gonna sell PayPal. That's a bear pullback. So here we got in initially at 83, sold it at 81. 81. We bought to cover at 83, and then so we're long 83, and then we sold it at 87. So anyway, you can just, I mean, PayPal, it's just trends really well. Look at all the money we've just made off of PayPal. It's just very, very good. Here is a little squirrely, but I'm just going back in time, showing you. I think that was, oh no, there they are. Man, look at this trade. Holy smokes. So we're in at $40, $41, and got out at 53. I mean, that's a pretty good run. Anyway, yeah, so let's just go back and get our stocks. All right. Red Hat. We got to sell on it. It's a bear pullback. Look to sell that. If especially it breaks below this line, that could be trouble city for that. Shopify was off 4.26%. Are you kidding me? Our buy now turns into a big fat sell. That one we lost a little bit. So here, now technically on the buy, you would have got in over the high here at 142, 143. And here on the sell, we would have broke even basically. No, we wouldn't have. 143, 142. We would have made 2 points on that based off of rule sets that we teach in mentoring. However, based off of our videos, we can only accept the closing price. So the closing price on this day was 143, 144. The closing price on this was 142, 143. So we lost a $1.25 or whatever on this one. Okay. Snap was up 2%. So tweezer bottom at support. Boom. There's the pop. That was expected. Twitter. Oh, I got to sell on it, but it tried to break over this resistance. If it would have broke above that, it would have been a buy. Could not do it. It is critically important in my trading to have these trend lines drawn correctly. There is a science to it, not an art. Big difference. A lot of misconceptions out there. I'm just going to let's talk about monologue time. If you have been trading for any amount of time at all, technically speaking, you have lost your respect, your belief in the value in indicators and oscillators, because they're always lagging. They're lagging by definition because they're built off of historical data, price and volume, and because it's built off of price and volume, historical information gives you just another sort of pattern, other sort of technical printout that is lagging. It's lagging by definition. So it's full of broken promises, and it always is setting you up for disappointment. Okay. So if you've been trading technically for a long time, you're starting to find out that there's no magic pill in indicators and oscillators. And that's why you don't see us focusing on those. The person who reads price action with the combination of volume, because those two elements are raw data. That raw data confirms one another. Whoever reads raw data best wins, and that's done through technical analysis with price action, these charts. The trend lines are used by institutions. Because trend lines are used by institutions, they become buy and sell levels. Don't look a lot of people, to their fault, look at horizontal levels. It's not horizontals where you find your money. It's on the angles. Okay, big difference. If you're looking at just a price level, you need to up your game. It is not that. So I've been trading 20 years in the live markets. So what I'm telling you here is factual. Well, what's interesting is I will get a handful of you that you guys been trading 3 to 5 years, and you'll probably give me like a thumbs down on this video because what I'm telling you right now, because you have a different belief. That's fine. We all have different beliefs, and you can have your different belief. My belief is based off of my 2 decades in the live markets, okay? Plus, I run one of the country's largest trading clubs. It has a membership over 500 in the trading club. Furthermore, for the last 11 years, I've owned my own education company. I used to be with Rich Dad Poor Dad, used to be with Teach Me to Trade, Option Success, Star Trader. These are all brand names under the company that I was with. And I helped oversee the curriculum for Rich Dad Poor Dad. And you can go there and go through their education. Now, if you go to Rich Dad Education, the last year I was with them, they were spending right around $25,000 for their students, right around $25,000 to get educated and to go through mentoring. That was the going price. Chances are, it's been a number of years since I've been with them, chances are that price level is much higher. So my gut tells me you're probably the average person. And let me know in your comments, how much was your package that you spent at Rich Dad, or let me know how much your package was at Better Trade or whatever. There's a lot of education groups out there nowadays. We used to be like one of the first, and there's a lot of people out there now teaching education. But with all that background and all the experience I have with traders and my network of full-time traders that I'm associated with, I can tell you that whoever reads price action the best, and that includes having a confluence of information of volume that confirms price action and understanding those relationships with the proper way of drawing trend lines and being able to identify patterns based off of that to give you when you should buy and when you should sell, that's a game changer. That's a game changer. A lot of people think that they can learn how to trade just by grabbing things off the internet. There's nothing that is compared to having the guidance of mentoring, the guidance of a coach to guide you through your weaknesses that help you overcome those weaknesses in the market, overcome those weaknesses you have in your mind, overcome those weaknesses you have as an emotional being, and to be coached through those things so you can reach your full potential in the live markets as a confident trader. Oh man, there's so much to be said about that. So, Grok Girl, how much of that are you listening to? Oh, she had headphones in the whole time, not listening to me. So, you want to say anything to everybody? You don't even know what to say. Well, they think I'm talking to nobody right now. You need to say something. Just say hi. Yeah, you can come over here.
Hello, I'm here, yes. You know, when I work, I put earbuds in and I listen to epic movie soundtracks. I love it while I work. I feel powerful when I do it. Random information you didn't need to know. Thank you. Hi, guys. Good to see you.
Hey, for everyone we're going to meet in Vegas.
Yes.
Yeah.
We are so excited that we're going to meet you in Vegas. It's going to be an awesome time. This is a trip that you will not forget. Trust me. It's going to be... Okay, I'm a little excited about it, even though it's going to be bleeping hot in Vegas. But you know what? They have air conditioning buildings and a lot of pools.
We're working, not playing. Okay, so that is it. That is it. So we'll sign off here. Yeah, so I hope that was beneficial to some way, shape, or form. Take care. We'll catch up with you guys later. We'll see you. Bye.